Hey y'all, it's Fonda. I got something I want to show y'all. I want to give away from the Subscription Sisters. They're two really sweet girls. Y'all gotta check them out. It's in this box. I just opened it. I didn't look at everything in it. A cream lip stain. Freematic eyeshadow. It's pretty. And look at this. Patrick Star MAC Lippy. I'm excited about it. It's really pretty. It's really pretty. And Tory Burch sample. Love perfume. A Sigma beauty brush. My first Sigma brush. A Naked Cosmetics loose powder or eyeshadow. And this is a wine thingy-majig that you put on your wine thing. A Catrice eyeshadow. It's really pretty. Clinique Pep Start for eyes. And here's another lippy from Ofra, Miami Fever. I've heard of this one. That's pretty. It's like a brick red. And here's another lippy. Oh, I've always wanted one of their full-size products because it's so cool. I heard about that right there. Oh, that's so awesome. That is so cool. I've never even seen one do all that. Oh, it's magnetic too. That's so cool. I think that and the lipsticks are my favorites. How do you say that? Cermanian or something like that cream. Dr. Jart. And Neutrogena Collagen Kiss Collagen Infused Lip Mask. That'd be fun. Love mask. A Donkey's Milk Sleeping Mask. I've got one of these I'm using right now, as a matter of fact, and it's nice. And another sleeping mask, Aki Berry Revitalizing Sleeping Mask. That's nice. And the last thing is a Unicorn Glow Hologram Mask. I love unicorns. Unicorns are my favorite. But I wanted to give the thank you so much to the Subscription Sisters. I want y'all to go check them out. Tell them Vonda sent you. I love everything, and I'm very thankful and very blessed to have one. And oh, and I wanted to I've been hearing about people doing this. If y'all want to send a card or anything to me and need my address, just email me. My email will be down in the description box. And y'all go check out the Subscription Sisters. See y'all later. Bye-bye.